Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel where we dive into the latest apps and tech to simplify your life. Today we're talking about PocketGuard, your ultimate pocket-sized budget assistant. Let's see if this app is as good as it claims. So, what is PocketGuard? It's a personal finance app designed to help you manage your money, track your expenses, and avoid overspending. Think of it as a financial buddy that keeps you in check. One of my favorite features is the In My Pocket tool. It calculates how much disposable income you have after accounting for bills, goals, and necessities. It's super handy for anyone trying to spend smarter or, like me, who always wonders where their paycheck disappears. The expense tracker automatically categorizes your transaction, syncing with your bank accounts securely, no more manual tracking. Thank goodness for that. Another big win, Pocket Guard makes saving super easy. You can set up financial goals like saving for a trip, an emergency fund, or that gadget you have been eyeing. And the app shows how to budget for them without breaking the bank. Now, if you're worried about flexibility, don't be. You can customize your budget categories and even add cash transactions for a full financial picture. It's simple, intuitive, and honestly kind of fun. So, what's the verdict? Pocket Guard is user friendly, visually appealing, and loaded with helpful features. The basic version is free, but if you want more advanced tools like debt payoff, planning, or unlimited goals, you will need the premium subscription. It's $7.99 a month or $79.99 annually. Not bad if you're serious about your finances. So, is Pocket Guard worth it? If you want a no nonsense way to keep your finances under control, I say yes. But don't just take my word for it, give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.